Alright boys, updates for today. I want to do the front end here real quick before I show you something really cool. The front end has been updated. I added the slip blow little skid plate right here, so if you're trying to protect your front end or whatever, your splitter, the slip blow stuff is pretty cool. I'll link it down below. They sent me a few test sets and it actually works pretty dang good. Right here, as you can see, the canards have been enlarged. You can look at the other side. I did a bigger canard to match the rear diffuser. And the front end on this car has been always like pretty modest, all right? And the rear end's been pretty dang aggressive. So I wanted to add a bigger canard, bigger side extension right here. And I also added this little strut right here, all right? So this strut kind of prevents the front canards. I mean, I got no rear canards. The Miata or the Cayman does, but not this one. So it prevents the canards from flexing, as you can see. And I also added a different side plate right here. It looks pretty cool. That's just quick updates on the car. But down here, I wanted to show you this boy. All right, so this is my OEM Mazda key back in '94. I mean, obviously I didn't own this car till about 2.5 years ago, but this is the original key that came with the car. I know people are gonna be like, oh, don't show your key online because someone's gonna make a copy of it. Well, you can't actually start my car with a key because I redid everything. So this is just for show, but I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna replace it with. And it's gonna be this guy right here. So these guys, Formawerx, are actually located here in Orange County, and they are ex-Oakley guys. And dude, this looks amazing. I'm not gonna keep talking. I'm gonna show you what's inside here. Look at this. This is what's inside the box, or the cylinder right here. And this one is actually cut to my car, as you can see right there. So if you give them your VIN number, they can cut your key to your key code. This guy right here. And this looks amazing. Look at this quality, man. I'm gonna come closer right here. Look at this. This is so dope. I know some of you guys are gonna be like, why does it look like a rotary rotor? Because it is. This was specifically designed for the Mazda RX-7, well, not the RX-8, just the RX-7s. And it actually works on our NAs because the cylinder design's about the same, so I'm using it on my car. Now, they are producing one for the NA, and I'll be the first one to actually reveal it because I've been working on it with them. It's kind of like an OMGMIATA Formawerx collab, but if you want to know more about these guys, you can find them out on Instagram, and it's Formawerx. All right, you see that? Just look them up, and dude, this is so dope. So if you have an RX-7 or a Miata, hit them up on a DM and then tell them I sent you. They'll hook you guys up. Look at this. This is the blank version. All right, look at this. Woo! Now, if you're curious what this is actually stainless steel. It's not brass like the original, so it's very, very tough. All right, so it won't scratch, it won't wear as much, and it looks dang good. This is the uncut version, as you can see, and you can order it polished, or I think they even have a gold option. I think they had black too, but I wouldn't pick any of those because it might like scrape off or whatever, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just making that up, but I usually like the matte and the polished because if it wears down, it's very natural. All right, so this is the matte version right here. It looks pretty dang good, dude. Look at this thing. Super, super exotic looking. Now, I think these keys blank run about 150 bucks. Now, don't quote me on that because I haven't checked their website in a hot minute, but if I remember correctly, it's about 150 bucks. And this looks amazing, dude. Look at the machining on this. Let me see if I can get closer. Amazing, dude, the craftsmanship. Like I said, these guys are ex-Oakley guys, and they know design. I mean, I've been working on the Miata version with them, and they are pretty geeky when it comes to design, just like me with my quality. So I approve this, and it's freaking badass. Now, way better than the OEM key, as you can see right here, and for about 150 bucks, don't quote me on that. It could be a little bit more if you have it cut, but I think the blank is about 150 bucks. It looks freaking amazing. And again, here's the polished version up close. Look at this thing. Woo, man. And the cool thing with the polished version, you can always hit it with metal polish to bring the luster back. Look at that. That's pretty much it. Quick video for today. If you guys want to know more about this product, hit up Formawerx on Instagram or go to their website and tell them I sent you. They'll hook you up.